Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and I am so excited to partner with Woodpeckers Crafts to bring you a pumpkin truck stand. First step is to paint the pumpkin chunkies in a variety of fall colors. Once dry, glue strips of felt in corresponding colors to add extra charm and dimension. Don't forget to paint the acorns. Then apply a coat of paint to Woodpeckers Crafts Pumpkin Truck Cutout. Paint the pumpkin stem and the wheels. Continue to add felt embellishments by gluing corresponding felt to the wheels, truck window, and to the pumpkin. Create a cute pumpkin for sale sign with some paint and some felt. To create the vignette, cover a wooden tray with some moss, then glue the wooden pieces onto the tray. Display your pumpkin truck stand for all to enjoy this fall. Until next time, happy crafting!